I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Man Mast Magan on guitar. We'll start by identifying the 4 core chords you'll need. These are typically G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Understanding these fundamental shapes is your first step. Then, we'll introduce a simple strumming pattern to get you started. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. Now let's dive into the strumming pattern. The song generally uses a simple, yet effective down-down-up-up-down strum. Focus on keeping your wrist relaxed and your strumming hand consistent. Try to count out loud to maintain a steady rhythm. This consistent tempo is crucial for the song's feel. Practice this pattern slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Next, we'll focus on making your chord changes smooth and effortless. The primary progression often moves from G to C, then to D, and finally to E minor. Practice switching between each pair of chords repeatedly. Aim for clean, clear notes with every change. Don't rush. Accuracy is more important than speed at this stage. Consistent practice will build muscle memory. Finally, let's bring everything together to play the full song. Start by playing the entire chord progression with the strumming pattern you've learned. Once you feel comfortable, try playing along with the original recording of Man Mast Magan. This will help you refine your timing and feel. Remember to have fun and enjoy the process of making music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.